Today I'm going to show you how to set priorities in Motion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you've come down on the left-hand side in Motion and you are on one of your projects, you can actually set priority over here, and this is actually fantastic. It's a lovely way of ordering your tasks within your project. So let's go over here. You're going to hold in Shift and you can actually scroll with your mouse wheel. It'll scroll from left to right. And you can see there's a priority list. Now, if there's no priority list here, you can go all the way to the end. Go ahead, click on the plus icon, and you'll be able to actually add it in there. Okay, so we're looking for a priority, and quite simply on this task, click on the priority block, go down here and add your priority. So you can choose ASAP, high, medium, or low, and whichever you are actually choosing here, you can see, let's just put a couple as ASAP. So this one, and then we're going to do this one as well. Okay, so now you'll be able to see that these deadlines have actually changed as well. And you can't actually physically change the deadline now. Whereas if the priority is not on ASAP, you'll be able to change the deadline. All right, we can also see the start date has changed to ASAP. And if you go into your calendar view, let's just go up over here. Let's create a view and some personal views, team views. There's no calendar here. No. Okay. So if you go on to the left-hand side, click on calendar, you will be able to see all of your projects. So if we go by week, you'll be able to see the projects that are here within your calendar. You'll be able to see that they've been reordered into a different order so that all of your ASAP and your high priority tasks have been pushed to the top.